Hey everybody, it's Bo here with Paintball Corrections. Today I'm going to show you how to install the DTF film for the Prestige A3+R machine. Right here I'm showing you the box that came in. I'm unboxing the film right now. We're going to unwrap it right here. Take all this stuff off. I'm going to speed it up right here just a second. That way I can go through the process a little quicker. Then it's going to slow motion, then speed up a little bit. We're going to get to the next step. I'm going to finish unwrapping the film, take that plastic off of it, and then we're going to move on. The arrow there is showing you it's going to go over the top. That's how the film feeds into the machine, over top. Then we'll put it on, slide that rod through it. And you see the little clamps on the ends. That's what's going to hold it on there. But first, we got to get the film feeding in their center. Here I am trying to center the film so it feeds in through the center, because you don't want it going to the left or to the right. You want it going in there straight and even with the edges coming out the front there. You'll see what I'm saying. What I'm doing now is there's a little bar in there that kind of slides against the film, barely touching it, so it helps guide it through. Going to slow things down, then speed up, and I'm going to cut that film. Stick your knife right in that groove and cut it off. Now we're going to tighten those clamps back against the film there. Cardboard sticks out on both sides, and you just put it against the cardboard and tighten the Phillips head screw down. That's it. And now you're ready to roll. Happy printing, and I hope you have a wonderful and safe day. Take care.